So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install, download and set up the Android Studio latest version. So first of all you have to go to Google and write download Android Studio and then click on enter. Now click on the first link. It will redirect you to this page and then click on download Android Studio Cola. Then you have to accept all the terms and condition here. Just click on this and download. Click on dismiss or you can sign up. So once it says downloaded, you have to go to your download folder. Here you can see the setup. Double click on this. Now you have to click on next and then next again. Now you have to select the directory where you want it to be installed. So click on browse here and then select this PC. I will download it on D drive. So click on wherever you want to install it and then click on OK. Then click on next and next again. So now it's gonna take some time and after that it will be installed. Okay, so now it is completed. Just click on next and then finish. Now click on download. Now it is importing SDK components and then click on next. Now you have two options. You can make it standard or customize. I will go with the standard. Now it is asking for the directory to install SDK components. You just have to click on this and then you can browse the directory where you want SDK to be installed and then click on OK. Then click on next and then next again. Then accept all the terms and conditions and make sure you have accept all those and then click on finish. Now it is actually offer 2.18 GB, so it's gonna take a lot of time depending on your internet speed. Once it is completed, the Android Studio will be ready to use. You can click here to see the details. to continue, and everything is installed. And now as you can see, this is Android Studio. Just click on new project. Here I click on empty new activity. You can click on next and your application and click on finish. Now it is start uploading everything. Then click on finish here again. So now you can see this is successfully installed. Now it's going to take some time, and here you can see it is activity member.xml file, which is actually a front-end file. This is how it is. And here you have Kotlin file, or you can use Java, whichever you want to make code inside. And this is the front end. After all, you can see the code here, and you can create application here. So here, if you click back, you can see there it is importing the build for application. So yeah, this is for today's video. So yeah, this is for today's video. As you can see, this is how you can download Android Studio and make apps.